This is pretty much a home screen of the application. This is a template-based application which allows you to create all types of AI generated images by just uploading a few photos. So here you have the luxury pack. You have all types of packs you can use. You can see your packs and so forth, all types of packs which you can use. And any one of these that you want to use, all you have to do is pretty much select, let's say, for example, the one that I want to use. And pretty much tap on the get pack option. You need the required coins to be able to use it. And once you have done that, you pretty much go ahead and upload your photo, enter a few information, and you're good to go. So that's pretty much how you use the, let's say, pack section. So at the top here, it will tell you how much credits or coins you have to be able to use this feature. As you can see here, once you do tap on it, it will just show you your subscription page. As you can see, pretty much everything that you're getting as it relates to your subscription. They do offer a weekly subscription and a yearly subscription, and pretty much how much credits you'll be getting weekly as it relates to once you get your subscription. So that's pretty much it for that there. And AI filter option here, be able to use the same feature by just uploading an image, be able to replicate these. So let's say, for example, the singing beat option here, which is popular, all I have to do is pretty much upload a photo, which is full body image similar to this here, and I will get same results as this. Or you can pretty much go ahead and take a picture right away. Either one that works for you. So down here, it will tell you how much credits needed to create the video. So do make sure you have the required amount of credits to create the video, guys. So that's very much it for that. And as well, you do be able to see a lot of different AI filters which you can use. You have the country change option, as you can see here. Do tap on this option here. This is pretty much the results as you will see that. And you have a lot of different ones which you can use. And if you do want to go into a specific section, let's say for this one here where it says country change, you can tap on the see all option and be able to see everything that's available for that AI filter. And as well, if you do tap on the create option, be able to create your own AI image. It only takes one credit. So to pretty much create your own AI image in this section here, pretty much go ahead and enter your prompt. You can tap on the surprise me option, and it will pretty much start generating your prompt here. And also you can select your aspect ratio. As you can see here, you only have 3 aspect ratio available, and as well you can add your profile. Profile is pretty much a photo of you, and once you upload this, you're going to need to upload this to be able to use the AI filter option and then the pack option, and as well as this. So you're going to need to upload a few selfie of yourself to pretty much create your AI profiles. So let's tap on that next option here. And once you have selected or have selected profile that you want to use, and as well you can select the AI visuals. So you can tap on the all options to see all the available ones. Once you've selected what you want, you're pretty much good to go. Go ahead and tap on create and make sure the required amount of credits. And anything that's being generated on this application will be in the library section. So it'll be easy to find. And as well, if you're going to generate images using this section here, you can tap on the advanced option. Forgot to mention you can use other camera angles as it relates to this, and as well the environment. So it will give you a even better generated AI image. So you can make sure to keep this advanced settings into mind. So that's really pretty much it for the application. And if I miss anything at all, just let me know in the comment section and see if you can help you. See you in the next one.